Hello everyone, I'm Neel Maniar from grade 8 in GIS Ahmedabad. For my Qutuhal challenge, I have created an artificial intelligence based software that can help people with learning disabilities or literacy problems. It's a text to speech based solution created in Python by me. I've used certain libraries such as PyTTSX3 and PyPDF2. Let me show you how my software works. I'll run it. It might take a few moments as it's a big software. This document has around 3 pages, and therefore my software said 3.
Poverty anywhere is a threat to prosperity everywhere. Poor. But how can you say that? Poverty in simple language is coined as facing the lack of necessities such as proper food, shelter, clothes, among others. Poverty also accounts earning little wages below a certain or fixed amount of money, which depends on the place where a person lives in the lower middle.
Okay, as it's a big document, I'll cut it in short. It's a basic version, but I hope you got an idea of how my software really works. I believe it's an innovative solution, and I should be a top contender for this challenge. Thank you.